Hi everyone, welcome back to Liberty Park Music. Today we'll be learning how to play Dance Monkey by Tones and I. And if you've been following along with the capo lessons, we will use some of the information that we learned from the capo lessons to make this song a little bit easier to play. As usual, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, let's jump right in. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. And take my hands, my dear, and place them both in mine. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. And you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Woo, I see you, see you, see you every time. So here are the chords that we'll be using after we've transposed the key of the song to the key of G. Once again, this is a very simple song, so we just have 4 chords. We have E minor, then we have C major, then a D major, and finally a B minor. And I like to use a B minus 7 like that, instead of a regular B minus 7 or B minor bar chord. You can do the bar chord if you want to, but the whole point of using the capo is so that we can avoid bar chords, at least for now. So I'm just going to use a B minus 7 with this chord shape. Thank you for watching this Liberty Park Music video lesson. If you enjoyed it and you learned something from it, please feel free to like and share this video with your friends. If you want to learn more on this topic or other guitar-related topics, please visit libertyparkmusic.com, where we have guitar courses, beginner courses, song lesson courses, and jazz guitar courses. Our courses are all online and available for streaming 24/7, and you can set up your music learning schedule around something that fits you. And you can also learn guitar from the comfort of your own home from talented and professional teachers and musicians.